chimney, hands, sing it. You know, every day, simple things are your blessings. Simple things, them are your blessings, your blessing. Simple things are your blessing. And you don't notice your blessing.
Good afternoon. Hope you guys are all having a great day. It's the weekend and I can't believe my baby is going to school tomorrow. He's going to high school. So he is actually going to school a week earlier than the girls are because his school is a little bit different. But yeah, your girl's not looking 100%, but psh, that's all right. But I just wanted to come on here and say hi. I hope you guys are all doing good. Don't ask me why I'm even, yeah. I hope you guys are doing good. Your girl's about to start, well, pretty much finished dinner. I got up early this morning and prepped everything, as you can see. Well, except for this one that's on her phone. As you can see, I got my stuff here, chicken and everything ready. My peas already cooked, so your girl's just gonna be putting on the meat now. So I'm cooking dinner early so they can eat. But even though Memphis is starting high school this early, oh my gosh, I can't believe it. My son is going to high school. My baby is going to high school, guys. Like, this is like a milestone for him, like crazy. Grade 9. But yeah, so he actually just went out on his own to go get nice and spiffy, get his hair cut. We did the last bit of back to school shopping for him because the girls, you know, it's always easier to find stuff for girls than it is for guys. So he just went and got his hair cut. So hopefully he should be home shortly. But yeah, so we just went and did the last bit of back to school shopping for him to get everything that he needs. So he will be all set and ready to go for tomorrow. And of course, I gotta go to that orientation. So he has an all-day orientation. Just gotta go find out the ins and outs of school and make sure everything is all good and make sure he's all good on his end as well. So that is what I am about to do. So yeah, I just nothing too much. I'm cooking just a regular traditional Sunday Caribbean Sunday dinner. Or should I say maybe not Caribbean, maybe the regular traditional Jamaican Sunday dinner. I don't know if any other island they do like their traditional rice and peas on Sunday or whatever. So that is all I am up to. And yeah, I've just been editing vlogs because I have a lot of vlogs that I haven't edited. And since I still have another week off of school, I am just trying to get all these vlogs edited and I could push them out for you guys. So that is what I am currently doing. So I'm in the process of doing that and also preparing myself and the kids them for school. So things are about to get a whole lot more hectic around here, but that's okay. You know, as women, we got this. This is, I guess, what they say we were pretty much born to do. So you gotta do what you gotta do to make sure that your family is all right and on top of things. Oh, sorry for that, guys. So yeah, if we're doing anything exciting, I will come back, but right now that is all that we're doing. So I am just gonna be cooking, and psh, I'm sure y'all sick and tired of seeing me in the kitchen always cooking. Hello, madam.
Bye.
So that is what I am up to. So currently the boys are out because yeah, hubby has gone out to do some job for somebody for his own little business there on the side. And well, me and the girls are just here, so we're just here kind of chilling, having a girls quiet Sunday. Yeah, so yeah, Memphis is out. I guess he's probably just gonna get his hair cut and then get what he needs to get. And yeah, so he will be learning to take the bus by himself because It's not every day your girl's gonna be able to get up and drop him to school, so he's gotta learn. Like, this is high school. So, and I also gotta go take him to go open. Yeah, I also gotta go take him. He's a big man now, so it's time for him to get his own things. So yeah, I gotta go take him to go get some other stuff done tomorrow, probably after school. So we're gonna end up doing that. And yeah, yes, he has school tomorrow.
Yeah, we have school next week.
Yeah, so everybody will be going to bed on night schedule. So I currently got my chicken here, just frying. So I'm letting it brown for a little bit. Yeah, that is what it's doing. So yeah, I'm currently letting my chicken brown, and then I'm going to let my chicken fry. So I'm letting my chicken fry, and then I'm going to cook it down. So, but that is pretty much it. So we're just having a girl Sunday. Yesterday we were all together, just finishing the last minute back to school shopping for the kids. So thank God that is finally done and out of the way. I wish Canada would put in a system that the whole country would be uniform. I think it would be so much better, and the kids them look way better, and actually have a restriction on the school uniform, especially what the girls them wear. Because over here, the private schools, they're in uniforms. The Catholic schools, they're in uniforms. But the public schools don't have uniforms. And I think it would be a much better system, a much better way for the kids them to dress anyways. Right? So to put them in uniforms, I just find that it looks way better having your kids in uniform. It's neater, and they don't have to worry about, oh mom, what do I get up and wear? Is this appropriate to wear to school? Is this not appropriate? I think it would be much better. And for the private school, not the private school, for the Catholic schools, for the Catholic schools over here, I find that the kilts that the girls them wear over here is way too short. They're supposed to be just, I think, below the knee, or when I was going to high school, it's supposed to be a below the knee. And listen, sometimes the girls them are walking and you could see straight under their hoo-ha, right? So I wish they would actually put something in place, because I don't understand. You say you're a Catholic school, but why is the girls them killed so short? Why aren't the girls them turned back? In Jamaica, or like probably other countries where they do wear uniforms. Listen, you have uniforms where girls kilts or dresses or whatever they call it, plaids, whatever. They have to be below their knee, right? If it was like an inch or a quarter above their knee, they were sent home. If their socks that are supposed to match is a different color, they were sent home, right? So they need to, I think that's something that they should really look into. And then like with the girls, them, I find that some of them, I'll roll them up, they hike them up. And it's like, as teachers and stuff like that, as profession, like that's something when you're doing board meeting, come up into. You don't, school is not a fashion statement. You go to school to learn. I think that's something that Canada system should look into about changing, because, and it also, it prevents the thing of like that whole discrimination thing against like, oh, you know, what family has money from what don't, and this and that. Like, it's already bad enough that you have the private school that kind of differentiates that with kids, like, you know, the parents them that have money, they tend to send their kids to private school, and the ones them that don't generally just send their kids to public or Catholic school. So I think that will just like erase that stigma as well, because, you know, you do have kids, different walks of life, different background, rich, poor, in between. Even though nowadays there's no in between, there's either rich or poor, right? But at least if the kids them were wearing uniform,
you wouldn't be able to tell.
You wouldn't be able to tell, well, oh, you know, like Sammy came from an upclass neighborhood. This one came from a low-class neighborhood. It's the way they carry themselves. Sometimes is the way a person differentiates, like, where they're coming from,
The only
you know?
time
So I think that would be something that should be considered. Guys, so it is dinner time. We are about to sit down and have dinner. We're just gonna watch a movie as a family together because the kids them free paper bun as of today. Well, especially Memphis, his free paper bun because he has school tomorrow. So we're having our last supper. They're having we're having our last like
Family, sort of.
summer family night together because it's early bedtime for everyone, and the girls them have to start going to bed early so they get into regular routine. So everyone, we're just eating and about to watch a movie. That is what we're up to. So nothing else. I guess I will probably, I don't think we're doing anything else. Hey guys, and good morning. I hope you guys are having a blessed day. And to all the non-believers, I hope you're having a good day as well. It's my son's first day of high school. I can't believe it. My baby's all grown up. So, you know, your girl have to bring him to school to walk him off. He has orientation today. It's his big day. I'm so excited. It's bittersweet because he's growing up and he's turning into a big man, but that's okay. So yeah, I just wanted to come by and said I hope you guys are having a blessed day. So yeah, your girl is all ready to go. He's all dressed and he is ready for high school. I can't believe it. Time has flown. Soon he'll be flying the coop, as they call it, the nest, in a few more years. But time's flying. And I must say, I did a very good job, and I've raised a very, very good child. Very good child. So, yeah, so we are actually ready to go now. So, yeah, I just wanted to come by and let you guys know that my baby survived the first day of high school. Oh my gosh. How was it, Memphis? How was it? Give me the quick rundown. How was it? Boring? Well, welcome to semi-adulthood life. Welcome to teenagehood life. Look at my handsome son. He survived high school, guys. Oh, Lord. Well, it's life. So, yeah, I just wanted to come by and show you guys that my baby survived high school. So, yeah. And these ones, two here, are getting ready for next week. They start school. So, yeah, the two girls will be starting school next week. So, it'll be their week. His high school, they started, a week early? So, yeah, but your girl is tired. I felt like I was in high school because this orientation today had me at school doing these obstacles. Boy, it's run up and down. Felt like I was in high school. Hello, princess.
You didn't have to go to school.
Yeah. So yeah, guys. I don't think we're doing much for the rest of the day more than keeping it low key. Your girl is tired. Oh, look at my handsome man. I can't believe he survived his first day of high school. How was it, Memphis? Everybody wants to know, how was your first day of high school?
I had 3 shirts on, so it was hot.
He had 3 shirts on, so it was hot. And now he's just stripping. Woo! He's just stripping. Yeah, he doesn't like wearing clothes. He likes keeping it simple. Just pretty much walking around the house in shorts. So, but yeah, I guess, well, look at the bright side. At least he didn't get any homework on his first day.
Of course, when I got it.
Hello. Actually, you generally do. A lot of people even get homework. What's your homework? For me to sign those papers, for you to bring back, else you cannot do what? All right. So technically, you do have partial homework. But that's the easy homework. You must be tired. Oh, Snookums. My buttercup. Look at my baby, guys. My baby's so big.
You know,
My baby's so big.
baby till I get my new phone.
Yes, yes. Oh gosh. Yeah, guys. So I think we're just gonna be hanging out for the rest of the day. Your girl is tired and
Sophia, baby.
what do you call her? Swati gal. That's so disgusting. What a name he puts in his phone to call his sister. But yeah, guys. So yeah, if we're up to anything, I'll be back. If not, then yeah.
So much money in the club. How much you spend with the ones you love? The simple things are your blessings. Simple things, them are your blessings, your blessing. Simple things are your blessing. And you don't notice your blessings. You pick it with the shoes by your feet. Now pick and